Good morning everybody! So today, syempre, bago natin simulan ng ating umaga, JC Organic Barley muna. Alright, so, wait, inom muna tayo. Okay, kailan bang best time inumin si JC Organic Barley? Best time, for me guys, sa umaga. Before you work out, before you go to school, before ka pumasok ng trabaho, best time sa umaga. Kasi sobrang sarap ng energy na maramdaman mo after a few minutes, talagang wow. So JC Organic Barley, best source of energy. Try it to believe it. Yeah. So again, good morning everybody.